Hello friends and potential friends. Well, my warped mind has been working overtime today. One of my century plants next door started shooting a stalk up in the air, and it was going up through some electric wires, so I had to pull it down. And when I did, I started thinking, this could be the makings of a great viral video. So let me show you how I am fixing to stage a potentially viral short video. You may remember my patience garden where I've been growing asparagus for the last 3 years and waiting patiently for it to get big enough to be edible. Well, watch this. Now tell me, doesn't that look like asparagus? Let's shoot a video. Hello friends and potential friends. Well, you may recognize my asparagus patch, which I affectionately have named the Patience Garden, because I've been patiently waiting for these things to grow for 3 years till I could finally start eating them. I come out this morning. That's what I saw. Does that look like asparagus? Does that look edible? I finally get to eat out of the Patience Garden. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, what do you think? Think that one will go viral? Just to put some perspective on it. Yep. I wish that thing had grown a week or so ago. Would have been a great April Fool's joke. See y'all next time.